So here are the tips. To create a new docs file, you write docs.new, and there you have it, provided you're logged in. To create a new spreadsheet, you write sheet.new, and you have your new spreadsheet. Just make sure you're logged in into your Google account. Also, if you want to create a new slides document, to create a new presentation with slides, you write slides.new, and there you have it. Your new presentation is ready. You can start editing and creating your new awesome presentation. But that's not all. We still have interesting functionalities. We have sites.new. If you know about Google Sites, this is a new way, an easy way to create new sites. We also have forms.new. I'm sure you've seen Google Forms. And there you have it, a new form. In case you're a new subscriber, why don't you decide to subscribe? Subscriber.new.